Alright guys, I just want to do a quick review on this 5-pack of Type-C chargers. So if you guys know, basically just about everything's going Type-C. So if you're like me, like I'm literally obsessed with having all my stuff charged. So this 5-pack is almost a must-have. And it's not just the quantity, it's also the quality. They charge really, really well. So I mean, like the new iPhone, you want to have that charged up. Like right now, I'm charging my Nintendo Switch. You can see it charging there. Charging my iPad with them. Really, really good quality. They're 6 feet, so it's like almost like the perfect length for them. I'll show you. And they're not like super thin. They're actually made of good quality. So like I said, it is both Type-C ends. Just really, really solid cable. So if you're looking to keep all your devices charged, especially with everything going Type-C, this 5-pack of Type-C chargers is definitely one that I recommend. 10 out of 10.